Hi guys, welcome back to 1A Garage Doors. Today I want to make a quick little video on how to disengage your garage door opener just in case of a power outage. And today I want to be using specifically a Liftmaster. And here we go. So when you have a power outage and you can't open your door, you're stuck, what you want to do is come up to the red rope right here and you pull it down just like this, and the trolley will disengage away from this. So now you could actually be opening up your door back and forth. And to engage it back in, you just make sure when you close it, this part snaps and clicks in like this, and your door is good to go. That's when the power turns on. Let's say you have a power outage and you just want to keep on using your door manually until the power kind of comes back on, and you don't want to be doing this all the time. So what you want to do is pull this red rope down and pull it towards the garage door opener. And what this does, it disengages it all the time. So it will just right back through it, just like this. So you could open your door constantly back and forth without having to every single time to disengage it and engage it. And when the power comes back on, to engage it permanently, once again, you just pull it down. You'll hear that click, and once this trolley goes in here, clicks, that's it, you're good to go. Press the button and your opener will start working once again. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Like and subscribe. Thank you.